Hi guys! In today's episode we will speak about current market conditions, about recent and upcoming ICOs, and about some airdrops, so stay tuned. So first of all, let's have a look at Bitcoin market now. In one of the previous episodes, we predicted that most likely the price will continue to decline after that small third bounce from the support area, and as we see, like, our predictions fulfills. But you shouldn't regret if you are still holding Bitcoin, because we continue to hold it also, because nobody knows when the downtrend will stop. So I want to show you some old times researches of a great person, Richard Wyckoff. As you can see from Wikipedia, Wyckoff was thorough in his analysis of the trading range. So now I will show you his analysis of accumulation, and we will try to find some similarities between current situation and his schema. Here we see very fast downtrend, the same like here. Then we see first bounce, second bounce, and third bounce, which is a bit below the support level on his schema. And also in our situation, we see the same things. So what's the difference? In his theoretical schema, there is a resistance level, and in our situation there is no such. We have something like lower highs here and here. Also, we don't have this so-called creek, but it's not so important as for me, because as it's only theoretical situation, and we have a real market, and they cannot be 100% similar. So I will continue with my prediction for the nearest time. I think we will go deeper somewhere near 5k to collect all possible stops of weak participants of the market, and then I think it will be a comeback to the accumulation, and after we will go, I hope so, we will go into uptrend like on this schema. So let's hope on it. And now let's go further and speak about the Metronome. It was a huge mistake from our team, but we are not alone, because I think ICO community also made that kind of mistake. Nobody could predict how much money they will collect on such a market, and most of opinion leaders in crypto world, they thought that it will be something about $100 or $200 million, but For our big surprise, they collected only $12 million. And because of greediness, our team was not able to participate because we were waiting till 30% of funds to be collected, or better to say 30% of tokens to be sold. And when something about 28% of tokens were sold, some huge players, some whales, made one large transaction, and they pushed progress bar from 28 to more than 50% at one time. And after that, a huge gas war started, and our transactions failed to reach smart contract. So now we are trying to buy. We put some orders in at something about 1.5x in Ether from the bottom price of the auction. So I hope you guys were lucky to get into that project and already flipped it at something like 3x in another. So anyway, that project was really high grade, because on such a bad market it gave us quite big profits. Okay, let's go to the next one. It's Origo network, and I think that airdrop team are working together with them, because nobody heard about it, and there was no hype at all. And then in a very small period of time, huge hype was rising, and people start to enter their Telegram group, start to sign into a whitelist. And also, if we take a look on their website, we will notice that it's quite simple website, which use like one of the standard ICO canvas. And for my great surprise, there is no team on the main page, but there are investors, and it's like really mainstream now. And I think this mainstream is mostly propagated by airdrop's team, and so that's why I think that they work together. They are advising to Origo, because we already have two reasons to think that way. And anyway, we have these 5 top funds, top crypto funds in investors, and I didn't look into the team in details. You see that the website is quite awful. We don't have any links on advisors here. Also, there is no any photos of the team. But anyway, everybody who will be able to register to their whitelist will be, before they will hit 100k of registrations, everybody will get an airdrop, and then there will be some kind of a lottery for allocations. So it's a free roll. We suggest you to participate into a whitelist to make as many referrals as possible to receive allocation. I think the price of the whitelisted accounts will be high on the black market. So anyway, you will get some value from your work. So let's go to the next one, and it's one more airdrop, and this is really top project because its high mark from ICO drops was set a long time ago, and they already had some airdrops, and this one is possible for everybody. You just need to participate into their Telegram group and to fill this small form, and I think if everything okay, you will get some airdrop, maybe something like 10-20 bucks. So it's also easy money. If you have many telegrams, if you have many emails, you can earn quite a decent amount of money. Guys, we are looking forward to your feedbacks, so please join our Telegram group and tell us what is more important for you to hear in our videos. Is it information about ICOs? Is it maybe information about airdrops? Or maybe you want to hear more analytics about Bitcoin market or maybe some other markets? Also, please press the like button below the video, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon on Crypto Brothers.